Hey friends, so today I'm going to show you how to turn a regular t-shirt into a mask for your face. Covers your nose, covers your ears, covers your mouth if you sneeze. So this is no sew or anything, super easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And it's just all you need is a couple paper clips right here and a t-shirt. And I'll show you how to do it. Just put the mask over your face. Then you can loop this up and over. You take your two paper clip ends, put those together, and you can adjust it as you need to. Just like that. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. And if you just got an old t-shirt or something, make sure it's clean. And this is going to give you some protection that you need maybe. And just a quick and easy way to do it. Plus it looks kind of cool. So you got two layers of like a cotton shirt or something like that. So you can do it like that. Super easy to do. I'm going to show you how now. Alright friends, so first off, just lay out your t-shirt like normal. And then in the bottom corners here, right here and the other side, we can put our paper clips or whatever. So you can just basically take your paper clip and push it through the fabric right here. And then if you want to just work it so it kind of makes like a hook here like that. Okay. And you take your other side and you're going to just do the same thing over here. And if it's too loose or too tight, you can adjust this pretty easily. So just take it, poke it through your fabric here. If you need to cut a little hole, you can, but should just be able to poke right through like that. Okay. And then you just want to make it so it's going to be a hook there. So pretty much you want to make it something so it's kind of easy to hook onto without getting caught. So I just do a couple loops like that, and then it's just kind of like that. So you can do it like that if you want to. And you can always have someone help you if you can't do it or whatever. So it's kind of like that, so it's going to hook together, okay? So now that that's done, I'm going to show you how to put it on like I demonstrated earlier. And it's super easy. Alright, the first thing you want to do is just going to put it on like you would a normal t-shirt, except just the head part. And then you just want to pull that down to your ears and over your nose like that. Okay. Next, you take the bottom part, kind of fold this part under and in. Make sure you grab your two clips there. This is going to come over the head, this top part. And then when you pull this tight, it pulls the bottom part in too. You just hook those around the back here. You guys can see that. Super easy. And then you can adjust it as needed for style or whatever. If you want to tuck this into your shirt, you can. Whatever. If you want to hide your eyebrows, you can. Just like that. So pretty cool. Super easy way to do it. I mean, if you got a t-shirt, you can make a mask. It's a super easy way to do it, and hopefully add another layer of protection for you and the people around you, just to keep it safe. So make sure you use a clean t-shirt, obviously, and if you have cotton or polyester or whatever, maybe different fabrics are easier to breathe through or whatever. This one's 50% cotton, 50% polyester, but seems to work pretty good. So that's the way I did it. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Stay safe out there.